If you want to create a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your security and privacy. Here we gotta choose more security settings and locate your secure folder. It's right here. Let's tap and let's press continue. Press continue. Now give it from 20 seconds to up to 1 minute to create that secure folder. Great, now we have to set up a PIN pattern or password to our secure folder. Let's press done. You can add up a fingerprint. Also, you can allow lock reset of a Samsung account if you want to. And now let's set up a PIN, for example. So enter your PIN, press continues, confirm your PIN or whatever you're using. Don't forget your lock, because otherwise you will lose everything. Let's press next. And basically that's it. Here is your secure folder. To add up any kind of application, simply press plus right here and you can add it up. For example, you want to add up our YouTube, press add. Right, easy as that. However, keep in mind that all of those applications are the copies of the original applications which you have on your phone with their own data and memory. So those are copies of the original applications. When you're done with your secure folder, press on the three dots, press lock and exit. And basically that's it. You can always find your secure folder in your apps list. So tap here, enter your password, reach your secure folder. Easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.